Welcome to The Explainer. I'm your host, alongside my co-host, and today we're stepping in as your high-energy financial mentors.
Absolutely. We are serving up a ruthless, fast-paced blueprint to help you hit a massive savings milestone. Look, if you're stretched thin right now and wondering how everyday people build real savings without some six-figure tech salary, well, buckle up.
We're going to show you exactly how to automate your wealth and build a rock-solid financial foundation. And spoiler alert, you don't have to make yourself completely miserable in the process.
$10,000. That is our absolute target today. And hey, before you freak out and tell me there is literally zero chance you can save 10 grand on your current income, let me stop you right there.
Exactly. The problem usually isn't your paycheck, it's your strategy. We are tossing that generic, outdated advice right out the window. Because really, who has hours to sit at the kitchen table clipping 50-cent newspaper coupons?
Seriously, who even gets a physical newspaper delivered anymore? We want aggressive, fast action strategies that actually work in the real world to drag you across that 10K finish line.
So, let's dive right into step one, the HYSA Wealth Vault. This is the absolute foundation of your savings journey.
Now, before we do literally anything else, you have got to separate your savings from your everyday spending cash. Take financial educator Austin Williams, for example. This guy managed to stash away his first $10,000 while making just $8 an hour working at Panera Bread, right? And his big secret was a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Look, a standard old-school bank account pays you practically nothing, but an HYSA actually pays you real money just to hold your cash. Look at the numbers here for Ally and SoFi. We're talking around 4.25 to 4.5% APY and absolutely zero fees. Your money just sits there in its own secure vault. It's totally safe from those random 2 a.m. impulse Amazon orders, and it's growing entirely on autopilot. Okay, so the classic gold standard we're aiming for here is the 50-30-20 budget rule. You know the drill. 50% for your basic necessities, 30% for the fun stuff you want, and that absolutely crucial 20% locked away for savings.
Yeah, and we are in total agreement that you should be saving that 20%. The end goal, totally undisputed.
But how do we actually force that 20% into our brand new wealth vault? That, my friend, is where you and I completely butt heads. Because to hit 10 grand fast, there are two violently competing philosophies. I'll proudly represent the slasher. I believe the absolute fastest path to wealth is to stop the financial bleeding. You gotta ruthlessly cut the waste.
And I, of course, am the hustler. Look, Slasher, you can only cut so much before you hit bone. The real, undeniable secret is explosive income generation. You just plain need to make more money.
Well, we're putting both of these hardcore mentalities to the test right here, right now. Let's see who takes the crown. All right, round one. Killing phantom subscriptions. Time to stop the bleeding.
Listen to me, hustler. You simply cannot build wealth if your checking account is basically a leaky bucket. NerdWallet's data exposes these sneaky wealth drainers so perfectly. I'm talking about that premium streaming service you haven't even logged into since Season 2 ended. Or, that fancy gym membership you've been paying for since January, but haven't actually swiped your card at since, well, week 1 of January.
Hey, come on, I might go tomorrow.
You won't. You absolutely won't. And let's not ignore the absolute worst offender of them all. Those quote-unquote free premium trials that quietly converted into full-priced paid plans 6 months ago. These automatic charges are literally just silently stealing your money every single month.
But look, I do not expect you to track all this garbage manually. The goal is to automate our wealth, remember? Lend-to-Use research highlights apps like Rocket Money for exactly this. Think of it as your own ruthless, automated financial bodyguard. It syncs up to your accounts, scans every single line of your statements, and hunts down every recurring subscription. It tracks them all, and get this, it actually negotiates or cancels the unwanted services for you. You are completely plugging the holes in your leaky bucket without lifting a single finger.
Okay, hold your horses. It's time for round two, high-paying side hustles. We're talking limitless earning potential.
Look, Slasher, reality check. You can only cancel Netflix so many times. At a certain point, there's just no more fat left to trim. If you want to reach 10 grand fast, especially if you're starting on a lower income, you absolutely must inject fresh cash into the system. And NerdWallet lays out this super aggressive, totally accessible playbook for side hustles.
Okay, but we aren't talking about launching the next massive tech startup here, right?
No. Just super flexible gigs. Number 1, flip items you no longer use online. You know you have stuff hiding in the closet. Number 2, try pet sitting or dog walking. Number 3, grab some freelance gigs for local businesses. Listen, bringing in just an extra $150 to $300 a month, that completely rewrites your entire financial trajectory.
And you want the ultimate cheat code? LendEdu points us straight to modern tools like the Dave app. Guys, this is the hustler's absolute dream because it does serious double duty. It pays a massive 4.00% APY on your savings goals, and it actively features a side hustle board right inside the app. It hooks you up with over 1,000 flexible gigs and surveys. So you make the money and boom, it goes straight into a high-yield ecosystem.
All right, time for the mentor's final verdict, which is combine both methods.
So who really wins this debate? Honestly, we both do, because hearing $10,000 out loud, it sounds like this intimidating, impossibly massive mountain.
But wait, When you break down the NerdWallet math and divide that 10 grand by 12 months, it is only $833 a month. All of a sudden, that huge mountain looks like a completely manageable monthly target.
Oh, but let's slice it even thinner to prove exactly how realistic this actually is. $27. That is your daily target. To save $10,000 in a single year, you just need to scrounge up $27 a day.
Exactly. Just think about our two strategies working together in perfect harmony here. If you let an app drop just one phantom subscription you forgot about, boom, that covers half of it.
And if you just walk one neighbor's dog on your way home from work, that covers the rest. Hitting that 10K is entirely achievable through tiny, intentional daily habits.
But there is one final mentor secret you absolutely need to guarantee your success. NerdWallet calls this reverse budgeting. The rule is simple. Move the money before you ever have the chance to spend it. Seriously, do not wait until the end of the month to see what's quote-unquote left over. Set up an automatic transfer from your main checking account straight into your new HYSA Wealth Vault the exact second your paycheck hits. You have to bypass your own willpower entirely. Basically, don't trust yourself. Lock that cash away before your spending habits even get a shot at it.
Which leaves us with just one massive question. Are you ready to automate your wealth? You've got the entire blueprint laid out.
You know you need to go open that high-yield savings account.
You know you need to let a tool like Rocket Money destroy your phantom subscriptions. Go cancel one of those right now.
And you know you can leverage easy side hustles to hit that magic $27 a day.
Open that HISA today.
Stop waiting for the perfect time because it doesn't exist. Take ruthless control of your financial future today.
We will catch you on the next explainer.